Health and feelings. Welcome to Fluent Ease English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about health and feelings. After this lesson, you will be able to, talk about your health. I feel good, I'm tired, I'm sick, I have a headache, I need a doctor. Express emotions, I'm happy, I'm sad. Don't worry. Show positive reactions. That's great. Congratulations. Let's get started. Mini story, a day of health and feelings. It is Monday morning. Anna wakes up and says, I feel good today. She smiles and eats breakfast. Later at work, David says, I'm tired after work. Anna tells him, don't worry, you can rest soon. In the afternoon, Anna's friend Lisa calls. She says, I'm sick, I can't go out. Anna replies, I'm sad to hear that. Do you need a doctor? Lisa answers, yes, I need a doctor, please. In the evening, Anna meets her brother. He says, I have a headache. Can I rest here? Anna gives him tea and says, don't worry, it's okay. At night, Anna's daughter runs in and says, Mom, I passed my test. Anna says, that's great, congratulations. Anna feels happy. She thinks about the day, feeling good, helping tired and sick friends, and celebrating with her daughter. Now, it's time for the Q&A mini story, a day of health and feelings. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It is Monday morning. Anna wakes up and says, I feel good today. Who wakes up on Monday morning? Anna. What does Anna say? I feel good today. Does Anna feel good or tired? She feels good. Later at work, David says, I'm tired after work. Who is tired? David? When is David tired? After work. Does David feel good or tired? Tired. Anna tells him, don't worry, you can rest soon. What does Anna say? Don't worry, you can rest soon. Does Anna tell him to worry or not to worry? Not to worry. Who tells David, don't worry? Anna. In the afternoon, Lisa says, I'm sick, I can't go out. Who is sick? Lisa. Can Lisa go out? No, she can't. What does Lisa say? I'm sick, I can't go out, Anna replies. I'm sad to hear that. Do you need a doctor? How does Anna feel? Sad. What does Anna ask? Do you need a doctor? Who feels sad? Anna. Lisa answers, yes, I need a doctor, please. Who needs a doctor? Lisa. Does Lisa need a doctor or a teacher? A doctor. What does Lisa say? I need a doctor, please. In the evening, Anna's brother says, I have a headache. Can I rest here? Who has a headache? Anna's brother. What does he ask? Can I rest here? Does Anna's brother want to rest or run? Rest. Anna gives him tea and says, don't worry, it's okay. What does Anna give him? Tea. What does Anna say? Don't worry, it's okay. Who says don't worry, it's okay? Anna. At night, Anna's daughter says, Mom, I passed my test. Who passes the test? Anna's daughter. What does she say? Mom, I passed my test. Does Anna's daughter pass or fail the test? Pass. Anna says, that's great. Congratulations. What does Anna say? That's great. Congratulations. Does Anna say congratulations or sorry? Congratulations. Who says that's great? Anna. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about health and feelings. Now you can talk about how you feel, describe health problems, and respond to good news in English. Keep practicing every day until these phrases become natural. If you liked this lesson, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Ease English. See you in the next lesson.